Good morning, guys. This is Sumaya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how to place a calculation object for the pathways. So this was a request from one of our subscribers. So, let's go ahead and see how we can place a calculation object in a landscape area. I have made a simple 3D model of a landscape with some pathway here. You can follow my previous two video tutorials on landscape. You can get a sample AutoCAD file for practicing the landscape lighting concept. So here basically I have placed the pathway using a extrusion volume. So this is an extrusion volume from which I have drawn the pathway, and these are my bollards. The LDT or the IES file, I have got it from the Iguzini website. So if you don't have the IES file, go to the Iguzini website. In the bollards section, you can find different types of bollards. So here are those options. You can select any one of your choice and use it in your dialogues. So let's get back to our dialogues. I have done with the construction and the placement of luminaires. Next, the very important step is the utilization profile. So, for that one, go to the construction, spaces. Okay, here I have rectangular space, circular, and the polygonal. Since my pathway is something like this, I'll go with the polygonal space and draw the space as per my pathway. So I'll start from this one, first point, second, just trace the path of extrusion volume, close polygon, and here is your pathway. After drawing the pathway in the properties, it is showing me as active utilization profile is the standard outdoor transportation. You can go in the edit. So here visual task is 50 lux, surrounding is also 50 lux, background is 20 lux. So this is what by standard it is taking. If you want to change it to some other area, you can go into the template selection, drop down menu. In the drop down, select something which is similar or exactly same of what you're working. Now this is not my parking space, but it's something in which there's a movement of the people. So I can go with something with a parking space or a transportation. So in the parking areas, I have for heavy traffic, light traffic, and the medium traffic. So these are the various different lux levels. So for heavy traffic, it is showing me 20 lux. You can change it here yourself like 50 lux. Suppose you want, that is the requirement, that is your requirement, then you can make it as 50 lux and set it. So this is done. Once your utilization profile is set, go to the calculation objects, results on surface. So my surface here is an extrusion volume, which I am taking it as a pathway. I will select that extrusion volume and my space will be set. Now run the entire project. And you can see your lux level. Here is 58.6 lux. So I have got 58.6. My requirement is 50 lux. So I have achieved good lux levels. You can select this, and if you want it to be displayed as a false color, select this to be as false color. It will appear something like this. So you can see the different lux level. Same thing will be available in your plan view. You can even have the lux level ratings in the form of a value chart. So here you can see 25, 50, 25. These are the lux levels which you are having. And once if you open the results overview, it is displaying, it will display you the average lux you're getting. So this is how you place a calculation object for the pathways. You can run the calculation and check the lux levels. Suppose you want to document the same, go to documentation. So in the documentation, I don't need everything. So I will click on only the light scenes. In the light scenes also, I'm very specific since I don't want the outer space. I can only click any one of the thing. So I will select in the site luminaire layout plan and the calculation object. So in the luminaire layout plan, this is my luminaire layout plan. This is the bollard which I have selected, and the quantity of the bollards. Configure page. So if you want something to display in your document, you can just click on that one. Back to page view. Second is your calculation object. Click on it. So you'll get the respective page. So this is my calculation object. I can configure it. Suppose you don't want the plans in the background, you can uncheck it. And you want the result to be displayed in the value chart also, you can click it. Back to page view. This is how it will be displayed, but it's better to always have a. So back to page view. So this displays your pathway with the lux level in a value chart and a false color. Calculation object, here I'm getting 58.6 lux, minimum is 1.2 and maximum is 165 lux with a uniformity of 0.02. So this is about the calculation. Now I will just check my entire documentation. So this is my entire document or the Dialux report. First I have selected the luminaire layout plan, the fixtures, data sheet, and then the calculation objects with the false colors and the value chart. So this is how you place a calculation parameter, a utilization profile in the outdoor space for the parking areas and document it. So this is it in this video, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to explore more in dialogues with me. Thank you.